Warohmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Hasmiyati, a representative from the group of four. The group of four here will review the articles entitled Is As Big Cats Go Hungry? Indonesia Zoo Considers World Cats Their Cows. And here I will be the first person to review the article. I will start from the first paragraph to the third paragraph. The first paragraph describes how zoo officials in Bandung, Indonesia provide food to the animals there. Zoo officials will slaughter some of their animals to feed other animals, such as Sumatran tigers and Javan leopard. The second paragraph explains that there were 850 animals that were fed smaller than usual portions. The zoo is considering a worst-case scenario to be able to feed the animals in the zoo, that is to destroy some of the other animals. This will happen because they estimate that the food stock for these animals will run out in July. The third paragraph explains how the impact of the coronavirus outbreak on this zoo in Bandung. This zoo has to close on March 23rd as a way to reduce the impact of the existing coronavirus. This was done in order to reduce the existing crowd so they could suppress or contain the coronavirus outbreak. Whereas the zoo in Bandung usually generates 1.2 billion rupiah a month from visitors.
Hi everyone, my name is Muhammad Ikram Mubaraqah. I will continue review the article in paragraph 3 to 4. In paragraph 3, the zoo spokesman Sulhat Shafi'i said we have 30 dotted deer and they will mark the old deer unproductive for slaughter as food for carnivores such as tiger and leopards. And if not enough, birds like this will also be slaughtered as carnivorous food. Then, in the next paragraph, there is a tiger named Fitri that will be threatened with extinction because before the coronavirus outbreak come, she usually eat 10 kilograms every 2 days. And now, only about 8 kilograms every 2 days to avoid running out of meat and food in the future.
Hi, my name is Auliya Azzahra. Here I will continue the next paragraph, paragraph 7 to 9. Paragraph 7 is the zoo needs more than 400 kilograms of fruit per day and 120 kilograms of meat every other day, Shafi'i said, noting it is now relying on donations to keep its animals alive. Next, paragraph 8, the crocodiles are fatter and the tigers are healthier too, but the lion is still a bit skinny, said Fauzan Zulfikar, who was allowed to visit after a donation. Next, paragraph 9, the smaller daily portion have not gone unnoticed by the animals, even though Shafi'i said they still met minimum animal welfare standard. So, next I will review the magazine with my opinion about the 3 paragraphs. In my opinion, in the 7th paragraph, he explained that in the zoo, every day he needs 400 kilograms of fruit and 120 kilograms of meat. Meanwhile, the zoo only relies on existing donation to meet all these needs. The next paragraph describes on the opinion of visitors to the zoo, where the visitors mentioned that there were animals that were fat and healthy, such as crocodiles and tigers, but there were still animals that, according to him, were still a bit thin, namely lions. Next, the last paragraph of my section, there explain that the daily portions of animals' food in the zoo still meets the minimum standards of animal welfare. Thank you.
Hello guys, my name is Muhammad Aldhi Nurshadiq. Okay, next I will discuss about paragraph 10 until 12. So Mr. Saifuddin said that this animal is endangered due to the depleting food stock. Even though they have been fed, they are still hungry. If the animal is not given food anymore, then they will get angry. Then several zoos in Indonesia have sent requests for assistance to President Joko Widodo so that the animals in the zoos are given assistance in the form of food. Because the zoo is only able to provide animal food until the end of May. So that the presentation from my group about the article As Big Cats Go Hungry, Indonesia Zoo Considers Worst Cats There Could. So that's all and thank you. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.